Halo Gamer here again, and I saw these little cool collectible Mario Kart Lego stuff, and I just wanted to do an unboxing really quick because now I'm starting to really get into the unboxing stuff, so I might as well just bought these little cool collectibles. So if I can, I want to display them somewhere along with my Master Chief. And this is Princess Peach. Thought it was like a little Lego, but oh well. And let me see, what else does this come with? Oh, this is all the figures. This are like all of the figures. Comes with some stickers too. I'm gonna put those on the thing real quick. But they're Mario games, so they have to be sort of expensive and stuff. But like these were just like $3 each, and I bought 2 of them. So let's open this up. Detail too. Oh, they are kind of like Legos. She has like a little shaped body, and you can also pull them back and they'll run on their own. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see. How do these stickers go? Let's see. Princess Peach. Okay, let's see. Let's take this one apart. There we go. And place it perfectly. There we go. And these must be the tires, so let's add those to our Princess Peach. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. That's cool. That's one tire. I'll take the other tire. Yeah, it's too small, too big, so starting off hard with the small ones, and then we'll get to the big ones. Alright, here we go. I really hope the next one I unbox is Bowser, because I like Bowser. I think the other one is really gonna be a Lego. I'm not sure because the 2 packages, they look a little bit different from each other, so hopefully that's a Bowser. But just a quick oh wait, I messed this one up. Just a quick unboxing I wanted to do real quick. One that I added to my collection. Oh. That's my mom. This one's a little bit tougher to open too. Alright, here we go. There we go. Okay. Put that away. Princess Peach right there. Put this stuff away. And who else did we get? We got Luigi. And the motorcycle one. That's pretty badass. Now these do look pretty different too. I had a feeling it was going to be different. Alright, let's see what these are right here. Oh, these are the Mario. These are like the original Mario Kart that everybody knows. Like the original Wii kind. And this is the bicycle, Luigi's bicycle. Looks alright, but Luigi is what's pretty interesting. He looks pretty detailed too. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty detailed. I've seen some other figures that don't even look that detailed, but this one looks pretty cool. Alright, let's see if I could just before we do this, does this thing need any stickers whatsoever? Oh yeah, it needs the little R, but I don't really want to put that on. Wait. Oh, I see, okay. Alright, well for now, I think I might just put this one. Let me see. They were all $3 each. That's pretty cool. I was gonna buy more, but like, I didn't know if it was only like Mario characters, because like all of the packages they just had Mario on the cover. I was like, I don't want to buy 3, and then accidentally end up with nothing but Marios. So I only bought 2, but at least now I know that it comes with different characters. But you know, this still a pretty cool thing to have. I could add it to my Master Chief. That's right over there. Big fan of Halo. Big fan. Set these things to the side. Here we go. Wait. Alright, there we go. Oh shit, never mind. This is one hell of an unboxing, I bet. Alright, let's just place this little fucker right here. Top in, side in. Let me just sit him on that. He's pretty hard to get in there too. Try getting the legs in there first. These are the parts of the videos that suck. The struggling. He just won't sit straight on that bike. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. There we go. It's a pretty cool figure, Luigi. I'm a big fan of Luigi. I think I might be a bigger fan of Luigi than Mario. And that's because, you know, Luigi doesn't really pop out in that many games. And, well, green is my favorite character. So we got Princess Peach and we got Mario, and they're both pullbacks and ride. And, well, they look pretty cool, along with this little bitch over here. And then this huge fucker back here. So, you know, another thing that I could add to my collection. Princess Peach and Luigi. Mario characters. Mario Kart. Remember to like, favorite, comment, and subscribe.